Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you top 3 must know privacy settings in Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Telegram. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Telegram. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to this 3 slider from the top. So click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you go to privacy and security. So it's going to take you right here. The very first privacy you need to take into consideration on your Telegram account here is your phone number. So you can simply click on everybody right here. Now, who can see my phone number? This simply means that the phone number is going to be displayed each time anybody click on your profile on Telegram. So if you want everybody to see your phone number, it simply means that your friend, your contact on Telegram, and people that does not even know you, they will have access to your phone number. If you want to disable if you want your phone number to remain with your contact, it simply means that only your friend will have access to your phone number on Telegram. If you decide to remain on anonymous and then you don't want anybody to have access to your contact, simply click on nobody. So I'm going to simply click on nobody right here. Then have a click on nobody. So this is another thing that you need to consider. Who can find my number? So you can decide that everybody can find your number on Telegram. You can decide that your number can only be found by your contact. So if you don't want external body to send you anonymous messages, it is advisable to switch to only my contact. Then you know people that already know you, that have access to your number. It's okay. So next thing you need to do is to click on this check mark right here. It's as simple as that. Another privacy settings you need to take into consideration right here is to simply scroll down right here and come to invite. So under invite, simply click on everybody. Now from everybody right here, so from the title, who can add me to group chats right here. Now sometimes you find yourself in an unwanted group on Telegram. This is as a result of you not setting up your invite properly. Now if you set it to be everybody, it simply means that you can find yourself on any Telegram group. People will just pick your number randomly and add you up to any group. If you don't want that, you just want your contact to have access to you and be able to add you to group, you can leave it into my contact right here. It means that all your friends in your Telegram contact can add you to any Telegram group. If you don't want anybody to add you to a Telegram group, whether your contact or on no friend, what you need to do is to simply click on nobody right here. So I'm going to simply choose nobody. It simply means that nobody can add me to any unwanted Telegram group, except if they have my permission. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this check mark right here. The very last top security and privacy you need to take into consideration in Telegram is calls right here. So I'm going to simply click on everybody here. So who can call me right here? So you need to determine who can call you. If you put it in everybody, this simply means that your contact and unfriend people can simply get your number on Telegram and put a call across to you. This can be a spam call. Another one here is my contact right here. If you put it in my contact, it simply means that only people that have your contact, your friend list, can have access to your contact and they can call you on Telegram. If you put it in nobody right here, it simply means that nobody can call you on Telegram. Whether your friend or unsolicited people that just have your contact on Telegram, they will not be able to put a call across to you. And by that, you are blocking a lot of spam calls on your Telegram account and you are trying to protect your privacy. So next thing we want to do is to click on this check mark right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are top 3 privacy settings you need to know right now in your Telegram account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.